Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in today for Zeph's Trading Chart Review. Today's January 26th, 2024, Friday. Hope everyone's trading was well this week. Mine was a little choppy, but nonetheless, we'll get this chart review going for the daily chart, and then we'll switch over to the 2000 tick chart. We got basically some follow through this past couple of days, not too bad. Finally getting to that top of outside the mean here with that 21 EMA, so hitting the purple band, looking our way up to 49.50, and looks like bulls definitely want to test the 5,000, but sideways action for the last 3 days, so expecting either Monday we finally break up and start really pushing up here, depending on maybe some news will come out or something like that, or this consolidation will have been the exhaustion for the bulls and look for a price break below 48.89, a price break above 49.33.25. Either way, whichever way it goes, we'll go with it. But that's kind of what it's looking like for the daily chart. Not too much going on here. Let's switch over to the 2000 tick chart. Okay, this is what it looks like for the 2000 tick chart for today. Pretty much range day, just like we saw on the daily chart. Some pretty big movement. Some trends here and there, not too many trades on the day, but we'll go over them real quick and see. Okay, so pre-market right here, counting from our high after this move up, have our first entry long, pulls back, second entry long, nice outside bar closing on its high. Once that closes, go one tick above it, go with that. So that's a great second entry long, leads to also new high. What we're looking for with this price break. So I got leg 1, 2, and our second leg to a new high. Then after that, we're looking for some reversals here, and we get a first entry long, pulls back, second entry long, and it fails. Great signal bar, awesome trade, doesn't get any better than that for a failed second entry long. Within context as well. And then we just basically market opens and chop around sideways here. As you can see, this whole area is basically just tons of wicks, no real decision with a slight downward trend, but other than that, nothing too crazy. Then this is when we get our higher low right here, so all of our lower lows finally get a higher low. No chance to get in here, but we get a nice spike up, and then we just channel sideways. Unfortunately, no time to get in here. Price is just steadily staying above the EMA, as you can see. All right, then you get your break of this channel, comes down, get a lower high. Then you also get, counted from the bottom here, a first entry short, second entry short. This is also a 2B pattern. Once it breaks below this bar here, kind of probably hard to see, but this is more an aggressive trade, so I'm going to mark this black. This is basically a pretty risky trade, I would say, and with your spike and channel just continuing up and then finally getting a first signal here, a lower high. The context is pretty good for this, but still an aggressive trade. Nonetheless, you get slight breakdown, and then you get a nice first entry short, pulls back, second entry short, also basically, well, you could call this a triple test if you want, but second entry short, great signal bar, go with that down, gets a nice runner. If you're going for more than 1 point there. And then we just bottom out here, get our two measured legs down here, take this leg onto that leg and get it pretty darn close to it. Actually, the second leg should be right there. And get that second leg down. Then we get a nice bullish trend up, 3 bars closing almost on their highs here for that last one. Break, new high, get 1, 2, 3 tests. I was thinking about marking this one, but it's an inside bar, so I'm not going to mark it. Then you get a first entry long, lower high, no second entry short, nothing to get in here. Then you just get another huge bearish move down. No news came out, just sold off. Unfortunately, again, just nowhere to get in here. Really good trends, but yeah, for us, just nowhere to get in. Then you get a first entry short, resets the count. You get another first entry short. So again, just nowhere to get in for that break on that channel here. Then it kind of a little bit chops sideways here. You get a first entry short, second entry short, bad signal bar, failed second entry short, higher low, bad signal bar, resets the count, from here. Then we get our first entry short, pulls back, second entry short. We get a great signal bar, and it's a hidden second entry long. And you get a nice move up back to the resistance here. Across the board here, as you can see. And that was a pretty decent trade there. Then you get a first entry short, second entry short, basically a third entry short, but this is too congested, so you can't take that. Sells off, tries to make a new low here, as you can see, breaks out of this range down here, but just shoots right back up into this nice bullish trend. We get a break, we try to test a new high right now, but that resistance is too strong. And now it looks like we're getting a first entry long, and we'll see if we get a failed second entry long failure. But that's what it looks like for today. Like I said, not too many trades for the day. We'll see how Monday plays out, see if any news comes that week. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know if you guys like these videos or what you like to see. Love to know in the comments below. Alrighty, happy Friday.